Hello and welcome to my channel. In front of you, what you're looking at is two vases or glass vases, and today what I want to do is make them into mirrored vases. And so with that, what I've done is buy some spray paint that actually turns glass into mirror. So you're going to watch me spray paint these, and that's where we're going to start. So before I begin, this is what it is. It's Krylon looking glass silver, which is what I bought. I've never used this before, but I've seen it used on videos. And so I'm just going to shake it really well. And what they say to do is paint the inside. And so that's what I'm going to do. Hopefully I have enough for these vases because it's a smaller pan. Let me tell you, your best friend is paint. You want to change something? Buy paint. I went and bought a boatload of paint, different colors, you know. I bought this, I bought white, high gloss, and lots of chrome. I already went through the chrome. I have a lot of projects coming this week that you're going to like. This would be fun. This paint, I'm not sure. I'm thinking this was more expensive than the others. I think it's about $8. So it's definitely worth it. Because glass, mirrored glass is expensive anyways. You're going to pay a lot more. Okay, so let's see how to do this. First, if I can get the top off. Okay, no idea what I'm doing, so let's just hope for the best. Let me start on the big one. Now, I might have to take this outside. This is very strong. Whew. I'm going to go ahead and start on this one. And then I'll probably might have to do this outside. Because it's extremely strong, more than regular paint. Whew. Okay, so we're going to do this outside. First I'm supposed to get some water. So here are the results of one of the mirrored vases. I think it looks really beautiful. I bought these roses really cheap at the Dollar King, $1 a stem, and they look so real. They have beautiful, insane looking flowers. So let's look at it at the back. This is a really beautiful setup. You see against the mirror. I think it came out really good, and I still had half a can left after both bottles. And it looks fantastic against this color. I just love it. So that one came out, and I think it's absolutely gorgeous. Now the second vase over here, you can do so many things with. I just decided to put some gray flowers in there. They're actually packed all the way to the bottom. I have tons of gray flowers. But I thought that looked really nice. You see how it came out? I think it came out really good. So, yeah, so that's the big one. You can do different things with the big one. You can also put the pink, or you could put sticks. You can do a million things. But you see how, you know, they just, when you see them against these colors, are just brilliant and really pretty. So that is my DIY for right now, and I hope to see you guys very soon. Hopefully do another video after this one. Okay, bye-bye.